and interactions, Q&A. Since puro naman kayo puro mga veterano, right?
And the nod of our Commissioner Norman G. Tansinko to be our partners.
2022 or the adoption of digital payments for government disbursements and collections to adopt digital payments